everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I'm gonna show you lip scrub at home. Okay, now take 1 spoon of sea salt and take 1 squeezed lemon and rose water. Okay, now add rose water into the salt. Take 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of rose water. That's it. Okay, now mix the two ingredients, salt and rose water, well, and take squeezed lemon with that and apply on your lips and rub it your fingers or with lemon. Please subscribe my channel, guys, and hit the bell icon, never miss an update video. Okay, then massage your lips 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, now the massage was completed. Now wash it. Okay, I washed it. Okay, now see the result. It will remove dead cells of your lips. So I hope you are like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye. Take care all of you. See you in the next video. Bye.